guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we got a mule review and unboxing of the CLARKS original Desert Mule Nomad. Before we get into the unboxing, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So thank you, and let's go. Today we've got a look at the mules from CLARKS, and this is the Desert Nomad Mule. This is the grey sage suede colorway in the UK size 7.5, and it's European 41.5. So let's get unboxing. It is officially mule season here in the UK. Sun's out. You don't want to be wearing boots. You want to be wearing these. So CLARKS have their own mule. Want to say that the first signs, I'm sure CLARKS have had mules ages ago, because as of 2025 they're celebrating, I believe, 200 years. So that's a pretty big deal. 200 years of a shoe company making shoes is pretty big. Now, if I remember correctly, there was a mule with Georgia Smith, that one of the collaborations there. I just forgot what it was called, but no, it's very much a mule and taking a lot of inspiration from Birkenstock and Crocs, how they are. It's only right that CLARKS reintroduce the masses to their mules. And what better way to introduce the mule than to incorporate the great things that make CLARKS originals. So you've got, as the sole unit, you've got the crepe sole right here. It's iconic. CLARKS use it in a lot of their products. The Wallabies, the Desert boots, Desert London. It's all the great shoes that you see and love. It's very comfortable. You have to trust me right there. So you've got that crepe sole unit all around here, and then the upper. So you got this, essentially it's a revival of the classic Desert Nomad from CLARKS, as like the front half, and then the back, obviously because it's a mule, you can just easily slip your feet in. And the upper is essentially the Desert Nomads, and it's this beautiful suede. It's like this grey sage colorway, as the name suggests. And you look at the vamp, it's very reminiscent of a Wallaby, because it's one of the most iconic. So it is very much a Wallaby inspired vamp right there. And then you've got like some padding on the insole right there with the CLARKS Originals logo. Very soft to touch, very easy as well. So very easy to slip on. You've got your laces, you've got your CLARKS Originals tags right there, the Desert Man logo as well with the camel. Very easy. Summer's here. You know what it is. Easy to wear. I'm saying easy a lot because they're easy to put on. You just slip your feet in. It is a mule essentially. But what I was getting at was, it's that time of the year where you just want to slip. You just want to slip on, So stick around for me slipping these bad boys on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend probably get your true to size fit. it's a bit weird for me. So I mean, my heel is kind of sticking out here, but when I have to kind of force my feet into the front. But other than that, it's a different feel. I'm not gonna lie. I can't really feel like the crepe outsole, and it doesn't feel like a sandal to me. Like whereas when I'm wearing a pair of Bostons, you know, the Birkenstock mules, easy, comfy to wear. This is a bit different. I think it's because I had to tighten it at the top, and the heel isn't that comfortable. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a big fan of Clarks, but I'm not gonna lie, this isn't it. I mean, it might be for some people. I think maybe I should have got, I don't know, maybe a half size down, so I can proper like put my feet in. But even then, I mean, I think this is the right fit because my heel isn't like over the shoe, if that makes any sense. But this is, I'm not gonna lie, this is not the best Clarks experience for me. So it's a bit weird. Maybe it's because I'm kind of used to Birkenstocks. It's probably why. Guys, if you're looking for a different experience, maybe try a pair of these Desert Nomad Mules. I am gonna lie to you, our viewers, I prefer the Birkenstock Boston Mules. This feels very, it's so weird because it's half shoe with the lacing, and yeah, it's a bit different. Not to my liking, but I'm sure there's someone out there who enjoys that kind of style and look. But with all that said, thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.